hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you are notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. Be one of the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Now, in order for you to make online dating work for you, you just have to understand this rule. The rule is this. You have to prepare yourself as, your gender. So, for example, if you're a woman watching this, you have to develop yourself more as a pure feminine woman. Because regardless, you are going to attract who you are online. You are. Now, you may say you're feminine, you may say you're this and that, but it may that energy is not coming across. So you have to get that in place first and foremost. Same thing if you're a man. You've got to develop yourself to become a pure thoroughbred alpha male. And that energy will come across. Even the way, you approach women, communicate with them, it will come across that way. Yeah, like things will work in your favor when you understand who you are, developing your traits, and letting things work out naturally and organically. Yeah. So, and then also, whatever your intentions are, for example, if you're a woman, obviously your whole intention really, well, in fact, it could be, casual sex and things. But whatever your intentions are, you still got to learn how dating and relationships actually work. So you will be able to learn all of that when you click the link in the description box below, where it says become a member of the Akibudan Trust. Once you do that, you get access to online courses such as Roles and Relationships, and that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself to become a pure thoroughbred alpha male. And if you're a woman, you'll learn how to develop yourself to become a pure feminine woman, and you'll learn exactly how dating and relationships actually work in that course as well. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.